Hello everyone. Now let's understand some of the main objects in Oracle database. Here, objects are the things we create in Oracle database. Okay, we create. So these are the basic parts that help us to store data and manage data. Firstly, tables. We store information in tables. Okay, here we store data in rows and columns. Here each row is known as record or tuples. Records are tuples. Okay. And each column known as attribute. Attribute or field. Okay. Now coming to views. Views are virtual tables. Okay. They don't store data themselves. They show data that comes from one or more table using SQL queries. Okay. Coming to indexes. Indexes help us to find data faster. They work like an index in a book. Instead of checking every page, we jump directly to the needed record. It is used to improve the performance of query. Nothing but it is speed up the data retrieval. So let's move to sequences. Here, sequences automatically generate number. They are often used for things like student ID or employee number. So you don't have to enter them manually. Okay. Example primary keys. We'll discuss primary keys in further class. Okay. Let's move to synonyms. Synonyms are alternate names. Okay. So they make it easier to access tables or views without typing long names. Let me take one example. Here, my name is Abhilash. Okay. Abhilash. So my nickname is Abhi. Okay. Same like that, we use synonyms. Let me take one example here. I have a table called employee. Okay. So I can call it as EMP. Understood. Hope you clear about Oracle database objects. Thank you. Thanks for watching.